Hi guys, my name is Nicolai Brix. I'm a Focus Nordic ambassador. I want to show you this click stand system from Kupo. It's basically a light stand on steroids. The cool thing is you can actually stack them together when you're transporting them. You can stack them together here on this way and put several, but you can also stack it like this way. Up to you how you want to do it. The other cool thing is actually the build of this is good and it's a little air damped. So when you close them down with gear on, they are just not smacking on your fingers. I like that very much. But the cool thing I want to show you is this one. I forgot to tell you that it comes in 4 different sizes. The other one was the smallest, and this is the biggest size. The same thing, you can stack it, but another cool feature is you can just open here, de-click here, and here, and then you actually have a boom. In my job, where I do a lot of fashion shooting, both video and still, actually a lot of time my assistant have my lights on a boom because then we are more mobile. We can work closer in on the locations. So it can be with flash or with LED lighting. So here I will actually save space because we have the legs down here, but we also have the boom. Super cool product, and I use it a lot.